This is our new mattress from mattressinsider.com. And that sound in the background is asphalting. Show them what's going on behind, Debbie. But this is unboxing day. So we gotta do with what we gotta do. Hope you like the video. This is the Murphy bed in our GeoPro 19FD. And we've decided to get a replacement mattress for it. Now, this is the way it comes from the manufacturer, with this elasticized slip cover, which we left on for additional padding, almost like a cheapy feather bed. It's 72 inches long by 54 inches wide and 6 inches thick without the slip cover. Here's the tag on the mattress, produced by Michiana Mattress Company on the 4th of December 2019, which was just about the time the trailer was manufactured, because we picked it up at the dealer in 2020, March of 2020, and we actually chose it and made the deal in January that year. So my goodness, these people were really going with just-in-time delivery. Okay, time to replace the mattress. It comes tightly rolled up from the factory. It's hard to believe that there's a 54 by 72 by 6 inch thick memory foam mattress in there, but there is. We're going to try to figure out how to get this thing unboxed inside our trailer. So let's have some fun. So it's out of the box, big jelly roll. This is how easy it is to get in. We're going to actually open it up, I think, on the bed. There it is on the bed. Big jelly roll on the bed. Let's see if we can get this thing undone. Okay, we've got the camera set on kitchen cabinet cam mode. So we'll open this up here. And it's gonna pop like a Pillsbury biscuit tube here in a minute. Oh, you know what? It's actually folded, doubled over too. Yeah. Okay, this is going to be this is going to be interesting. So, brace ourselves for. There that comes. Organic cotton, organic, right there. Okay. And I'm going to guess this is the bottom. Or the foot, I should say. Okay. Toss this out of the way. Slide it over. Man. Now I'm not sure which is right side up. I have a feeling we're upside down.
No, it looks the same.
Oh no, Matt, okay, this is right side. Well, what I'm saying is, this is a, look at that. Perfect fit. All right. Yeah. Okay. Mattress Insider mattresses are built in 3 layers. So there's a bottom layer, the thickest layer is just basic foam, And then there's a 1.5-inch layer of cooling foam or ventilated airflow foam. And then there's the top layer, which is 1.5 inches of memory foam. I didn't get those dimensions right. It's 3, 1.5, and 1.5, I believe, on a 6-inch thick mattress. This is a mattress that's supposed to be sort of semi-firm, and it's gotten really great reviews on various websites. And I'll talk to you about how we ordered this thing and the process we went through in just a minute. So here we are on our brand new MattressInsider.com memory foam mattress. This is the mid-range. The 6-inch thick is the mid-range on their website. They've got 3 levels. All of our research on the RV websites and RV forums and so on for the Rockwood GeoPro line said that you're going to need a custom-made mattress to fit this Murphy bed, which is a short double. It's 72 inches long, as we've said, by 54 wide. That's 4.5 feet. And it's only 6 inches thick. It's 6 inches thick instead of 8 inches thick because 8 inches thick will rub up against the front wall when you put the mattress up. That's what the lady at the dealership told us as well. And it really looks like it's true. So we went with the 6-inch thick mattress. Mattress Insider gets really great reviews for their 3-layer foam mattresses for comfort and durability. So that's who we went with, and we called. I recommend you call them and call an agent and talk to one of their agents before you use the online ordering system. The process is to call, talk to a human being. You'll talk to a real human being. Tell them what you need and what it's for. And for example, I said I'm going to need an RV mattress, and I don't see this particular set of dimensions in your standard, made-to-order mattresses, that it has to be a custom, you have to set up custom jigs. And he said, that might be true for the RV side, but let's look at the residential category. So we went into the residential category on the phone, scrolled down through on both our computers, half a country apart, and sure enough, in the residential section, they have a standard 72 by 6 by 54 made-to-order mat. They're all made-to-order. They don't have them in a big stock, but it saves you $50. The difference between a custom and a standard made-to-order is $50 plus the 10% discount. We saved about $65 on the price of this mattress. It ended up costing us $429. Free shipping, FedEx, and it was about 3.5 to 4 weeks from the time we ordered in early March. Mid-March until the time it was delivered just about 3 days ago. This is the 2nd of May, so it was delivered on the 28th of April. So that's the recommendation. We'll let you know. We won't be able to test it for a while. There goes the goat cart traffic. Campgrounds are busy on Mondays, although not with kids running around. Mondays are like Making Men Day on campgrounds, and we just happened to luck into one that's really going crazy at one of our favorite campgrounds here in Silver Canoe in Armstrong County. With that said, I'll put a link in the description below to the website for Mattress Insider, and there somewhere up here there'll be or down here, depending on how this frames out, there'll be a link on the screen too. So, hope you enjoyed this video, hope it was helpful, and we'll see you on the road. Thanks for watching. Please click the thumbs up icon to like the video and share with your friends via email or social media. I'd love to have you subscribe, and if you do, please click the little bell icon so you'll get notifications whenever I post a new video. Goodbye.